Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 5, asking a question. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. So we're going to start the tutorial. Let's now go over onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. And now go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Click on all applications. Go to all apps. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen to explore all your applications. Now go to Yammer. In this tutorial, we will look to ask a question within My Communities All Company. This question that I'm about to share would then be seen by everybody within the company for them to view, read, and answer. So, a very quick question. Are you watching Computer Science Videos on YouTube? And we can post this. So now what would happen, everybody that accesses their Yammer account within My Communities and All Company, they will be able to see this. So if I now minimize Google Chrome for the moment, now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Safari. Let's go to office.com. Navigate to Yammer. So this is now from the main account. Let's just wait for that to load. And there we go. The question is, are you watching Computer Science Videos on YouTube? I will press like. I can respond with a comment to say, yes, let's post. Let's now minimize Safari for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock again. Go to Google Chrome and show one new comment. And there we go. One comment received. Command R to refresh the page. This has also been liked, so we can now quit Google Chrome, quit Safari. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.